Look no further than the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, lane keeping assist, keyless start, heated front seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, alarm. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.